Welcome back, students, to our last topic of this chapter, that is water of crystallization. Okay, along with it we are going to wind up this chapter. Water of crystallization, it means the water molecules which form part of the structure of a crystal or a salt are called water of crystallization. Read it. The water molecule which form a part of a structure, a water molecule which form a part of a structure of a crystal salt are called water of crystallization. Is it clear? See, copper sulfate is there. It's containing 5 molecules of water. It is called pentahydrate. Okay. Then, if you go through iron sulfate, it containing 7 molecules of water. It called heptahydrate. Hepta for the 7, penta for the 5. Now we saw that plaster of Paris, calcium sulfate, this is gypsum, it is dihydrate. Okay, these are the some formulas which we studied. If you took the sodium carbonate washing soda, it containing the 10 molecules, it is decahydrate. So these are the number of water molecules present in the given structure. Okay. So these all are called as a hydrated salt. These all are called as a hydrated salt. Is it clear? See, this salt are having the shapes, fixed shapes are there. But sometimes they are impart in colors. Impart in colors means colors are changing. Colors are changing. This is white in color. This is white in color. But if you go to the iron, it is green in color. This one is blue in color. It is blue, and this one is green in color. Is it clear? So, how the colors are changing? Action of heat on hydrated salt. With the help of this, we are going to understand about this hydrated salt. Okay. Now see, if we take calcium sulfate, or you take copper sulfate with 5 molecules of water. If we provide the heat, what is happening? This copper sulfate and 5 molecules of water are separated. Is it clear? And take the iron sulfate also. What is remaining behind? There is one experiment with this. With the help of this reaction, I am going to explain you. Take this copper sulfate, pentahydrate. Okay, copper sulfate take in a test tube. In a test tube we took that. It is in a dry form. Okay, dry form. हमने उसे लिया test tube में and we holding it on a burner. We holding it on a burner with the holder. After holding on a burner, we give heat, we provide the heat. ऐसे बर्नर होता है, उसके ऊपर टेस्ट ट्यूब रखी होती है और उसको ऐसे होल्ड करना होता है. 2 मिनट होल्ड करो, शेक इट आउटसाइड, होल्ड इट एंड आउटसाइड. व्हाट डू यू सी? आफ्टर हीटिंग द वाटर मॉलिक्यूल इज एलिमिनेट. क्या होता है? वाटर मॉलिक्यूल एलिमिनेट होता है. एंड व्हाट इज रिमेनिंग इन दैट टेस्ट ट्यूब? इट इज कॉपर सल्फेट विच टर्न्स इनटू वाइट कलर. जो क्या हो जाता है? वाइट कलर हो जाता है. इज इट क्लियर? Why does the white color, it changed into white color? Actually it is in blue color. This copper is actually in blue color. But how does it change into the white color? Because whatever the water molecule are present in it, it is eliminated due to the heat. Due to the heat. Then again you add some of the percent of water, some of the drops of the water. You will see the immediately the color changed into blue. That white changed into blue. So this reaction shows that these are the hydrated salt, or they are containing the water molecules of crystallization. Along with the iron sulfate also it is happening. If you take the iron sulfate and start heating that test tube on the burner, what do you see? You will see the change that iron sulfate, which was green in color, it turned into white. And on that test tube, वो test tube पे कैसे होता है? ये see this test tube. If it is containing the substance iron sulfate, okay, you will see some droplets of water on the test tube wall. टेस्ट ट्यूब वॉल पे हमें थोड़े से वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स दिखाई देते हैं, विच इज ऑल्सो शोज दैट और प्रूव दैट these compounds, these hydrated salts are containing the water molecule. That's why they are known as a hydrated salt. Why so? Because they are containing the water molecule for crystallization. So when the iron sulfate is heated, the water molecule is eliminated. Water molecule eliminated means what is remaining behind in that test tube is, that is iron sulfate, which was at the starting it is green in color, and after providing the heat it turns into white. And at this stage when you add water, if you go to the reverse of this reaction, okay, if you add water, what does it give you? It again gives you the iron sulfate heptahydrate, which was green in color. You will see immediately the color change in it. Is it clear? So along with this short description, did you understand about the water of crystallization? Prepare it, do it. These are very important topic from the acid, bases and salt. Along with it, we completed our chapter. Get it ready. Anytime, any day, I will take the surprise test. See you.